Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product launch plan with ProductPlan, full guide step by step clearly. To create a product launch plan with ProductPlan, start by defining your product vision and goals. Clearly outline what the product aims to achieve and who the target audience is. Next, conduct thorough market research to identify competitors and potential challenges. This will help you understand the landscape and refine your product offering. Now, open ProductPlan and create a new plan for your product launch. Begin by adding a timeline to visualize your launch goals. Set key milestones for the different phases of your launch, such as product development, marketing, and sales. Once your timeline is set, create tasks for each milestone to ensure everything stays organized. Assign responsibilities to team members for each task, clarifying who is accountable for what. Next, integrate any necessary resources or tools that will assist in the launch process. This could include market analysis reports, promotional content, or budget estimates. As you proceed, continuously update your plan based on team feedback and project changes. Use ProductPlan's collaboration features to discuss updates and track progress in real time. Once your plan is complete, present it to your team for final approval and alignment. Ensure everyone understands their roles and deadlines leading up to the launch. Finally, monitor your plan closely as the launch date approaches, making adjustments as necessary. Collect data during the launch to evaluate success and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll create an effective product launch plan with ProductPlan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.